Did you know that Toledo was once the capital of the Spanish Empire? Prepare to be awestruck by the breathtaking architecture that reflects its rich history, from majestic medieval fortresses to the stunning Toledo Cathedral. Here are the best things to do in Toledo, Spain. Number 11. Bisagra Gate. Start your Toledo adventure by walking through the Bisagra Gate, a magnificent gateway that grants entry to the city. With roots tracing back to the Moors, this architectural marvel, reconstructed in the 16th century, still showcases remnants of its original grandeur. Behold the striking exterior featuring an Arch of Triumph, flanked by two exquisite semicircular towers, all crowned by the regal imperial coat of arms of the city. As you pass through this historic portal, immerse yourself in the rich heritage and captivating beauty that Toledo has to offer. Number 10. Synagogue of Santa Maria la Blanca. Step into history at Santa Maria Synagogue, the oldest standing synagogue in Europe, nestled on the outskirts of Toledo. Dating back to 1180, this architectural marvel was built by Islamic architects under Christian kings to serve the city's Jewish community. Today, it captivates visitors as a cherished tourist destination and museum, showcasing breathtaking craftsmanship. Marvel at the geometric mosaics, meticulously adorned capitals, and graceful horseshoe arches that adorn its interior. As Spain's Jewish community endured centuries of persecution, this synagogue stands as a poignant symbol of interfaith cooperation and tolerance, embodying the spirit of unity across beliefs. Number 9. Toledo Cathedral. A necessary part of your Toledo adventure is a visit to the awe-inspiring Toledo Cathedral. This remarkable Roman Catholic church is renowned as one of Spain's top cathedrals, drawing in visitors from all over the world with its spectacular Gothic architecture. As you step inside, prepare to be amazed by the stunning ornate designs and intricate details that adorn the cathedral. Don't miss the chance to visit the nearby Ildefonso Chapel, one of the oldest chapels which has held historical significance since the 1200s. Take your time to wander around this sacred space and fully enjoy the craftsmanship evident throughout the sanctuary. Number 8. El Greco Museum. Welcome to the El Greco Museum. Here, you'll have the chance to delve into the extraordinary life and artistic brilliance of the renowned Greek painter Domenikos Theotokopoulos, or more commonly referred to as El Greco. Step into this charming historical building transformed into an attractive museum. Get ready to be amazed by the striking European paintings that showcase the rich tapestry of Spanish culture, encompassing both religious and everyday themes. Since its establishment in 1911, the museum has been dedicated to honoring this influential artist from the Renaissance era. As you wander through the exhibits, you'll not only discover El Greco's extensive collection, but also gain a deeper understanding of his lifestyle during his time in Toledo. Number 7. Mirador del Valle. When in Toledo, make sure to visit the Mirador del Valle. This enchanting viewpoint, located just outside the city, offers an exciting panorama of the historic city and its surrounding landscapes. It's a simple stop along the road, but the rewards are beyond imagination. As you stand there, you'll be treated to stunning vistas during the day with the city's rich history stretching out before you. The Mirador del Valle was once a strategic lookout point during the Middle Ages, offering a defensive advantage to the city. Today, it continues to captivate visitors with its timeless charm and remarkable views. Whether you're witnessing a magnificent sunset over ancient architecture or admiring the vibrant colors of the city at night, Mirador del Valle will leave you in awe. Number 6. Plaza Socodover. Plaza Socodover, right in the heart of Toledo, is an absolute gem. It's the kind of place that instantly grabs your attention and makes you want to dive right in. The moment you step foot onto its charming cobblestone streets, you can feel the vibrant energy buzzing all around you. Take your time and soak up the lively atmosphere as you meander through the square. Don't miss the chance to indulge in tasty local cuisine at the nearby cafes and restaurants. And while you're there, don't forget to browse the delightful shops and boutiques where you can find unique treasures to bring back home. Plaza Socodover is like a gateway to Toledo's captivating history, so make sure to join one of the guided tours to uncover interesting stories and secrets of the city. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Toledo experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Mosque of Cristo de la Luz. The Mosque of Cristo de la Luz is an entrancing historical site that reveals a unique blend of cultures. Originally a mosque, it was later transformed into a Catholic chapel, showcasing the city's diverse religious heritage. Inside, you'll discover an impressive statue of Christ, accompanied by the tetramorphs, symbolic representations of the four evangelists, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Each evangelist brings their distinct perspective and contribution to the Christian faith, making the experience even more profound. When you visit this holy site, take a moment to appreciate the significance of these figures and their lasting impact. It's a chance to delve into the intricacies of religious history while surrounded by stunning architecture. Number 4. San Martin's Bridge. San Martin's Bridge is an absolute marvel waiting to be explored. Just imagine strolling across this medieval wonder with the river Tahoe flowing beneath you and the cityscape stretching out before your eyes. The bridge is a national monument recognized for its historical importance since 1921. Although it has undergone reconstructions, it hasn't lost its timeless allure. This place truly exudes character and charm, effortlessly transporting you to a bygone era. The views from the bridge are simply astonishing, providing a panoramic glimpse of the city that will leave you in awe. There's no question that walking across this iconic structure will give you an unforgettable experience. It's like stepping back into history itself. Number 3. Monastery of San Juan de los Reyes. The Monastery of San Juan de los Reyes is a compelling treasure nestled in the heart of Toledo's Jewish quarter. Step back in time as you wander through this Franciscan monastery, a testament to Isabelline architecture and late Gothic design. Commissioned by Ferdinand and Isabella, it stands as a commemoration of two significant events, the Battle of Toro and the marriage of the Catholic monarchs. Don't miss the chance to marvel at the mesmerizing Mudéjar-style ceiling on the second floor, a sight that will leave you captivated. And as you gaze out of its windows, enjoy the serene views that stretch before you. Number 2. Alcantara Bridge Toledo. The Alcantara Bridge is an alluring ancient Roman bridge that dates back to the 3rd century. This incredible structure was crossed by the road that linked the present-day regions of Mérida and Zaragoza, and it's a sight to behold. It's not just a bridge, it's a testament to the ingenuity of Roman architecture and the rich history of ancient civilizations. When you visit, be prepared to appreciate the engineering marvels of the aqueducts and river crossings. History enthusiasts and those who appreciate unique landmarks will find this place attractive. Don't forget to take in the jaw-dropping views of the Tahoe River and the charming surroundings. Number 1. Alcázar of Toledo. If you find yourself in Toledo, make sure to visit Alcázar. This incredible stone fortress sits high above the city, treating you to entrancing views of the surrounding landscape. You can't miss its impressive quadrangular structure, standing tall at 196 feet and adorned with stunning architectural details. What makes it even more appealing is its role during the Spanish Civil War. Now transformed into a military museum, it houses a treasure trove of artifacts that bring history to life. From medieval armor to state-of-the-art weaponry, the exhibits take you on a delightful journey through time. Click here for more things to do in Spain.